My name is Chris Carvero. I am a technician over at Battle Born Harley in Carson City. The team that I was involved with was Team Fob. We built this beautiful bike for street vibrations. It started off as a 2019 FLHTP cop bike, and it evolved into this wonderful custom build bike. Here's a walkthrough. Alright, we have a 2019. It started off as a FLHTP cop bike. As you can see, it's a total custom build. We have a one-off paint job by Jim Forcello over at Kustom Kreations. The color is brandy wine with gold leaf and custom pinstriping. And for the handlebars, we have 16-inch Paul Yaffee bars with PM grips and a full Defiance Harley-Davidson levers with cut cross designs. We have Willie G HD mirrors. Galfer made custom clutch lines and brake lines with gold accent fittings. We have Defiance footboards, HD footboards, and brake lever and clutch shift lever. We have a drag specialty seat with red stitching. And HD LED taillights, CVO taillights, all the paint and the powder coating with the gold accents. The rim, entire combo, are fat spoke black bike wheels, a 21-inch front and an 18-inch rear. Alright, now for the suspension of the bike, we have front and rear dirty air ride suspension. It's fully adjustable up and down, front and back, and it also has a MSR center stand, so you could lay it completely on the ground. For the performance of the bike, we did a stage 1. We have a Trask 2-1 exhaust, a Screamin' Eagle air cleaner, and a Screamin' Eagle tuner. And now let's hear how it sounds. If you're interested, all the performance modifications will be listed below.